So I am cleaning the air filter on my Beta, and it is on the left-hand side of the bike. So you pull it out, and I've already taken it out, and I've got it in there. It's drying right now. We'll take a look at it in just a second. But there was one interesting thing I wanted to mention, that the cross-training enduro guys had mentioned that the oil injector tubes are actually on the inside in here. And the older models, I believe, this is the 2021, the older models had a tendency apparently to degrade. The other end is over here. But this one on the 2021 actually appears to have come from the factory with a zip tie kind of in place. And you really can't see it because it's pretty dark in there. But it's there, it's in place well, it's not degrading, it looks pretty good. And the other end here is the same. So I am not going to apply zip ties to it because I think it came that way from the factory. So, and they all look good. Everything looks good. So this is how we get, now getting the air filter out of this bike, yeah, it was not, I mean, it was a little bit of a challenge, but finally got it out. It's pretty dirty, so we cleaned it with air filter cleaner, and it's drying right now.